Wearable tech offers so many health and lifestyle benefits, why not try one on for size? Consider your options: smartwatches, fitness trackers, or a health monitoring device. First, smartwatches. A watch and phone in one, smartwatches connect to your phone and give you notifications so you can track your life from your wrist. You can reply to texts, view your calendar, play games, access apps, track your fitness, and even measure your BMI and blood pressure. Next, fitness trackers. If you're not after the full smartwatch experience but need something to kickstart your fitness goals, this is it. Count your steps, optimise your workouts, track your sleep and monitor your heart rate. Into half marathons or cycling, a GPS function will help you track your performance. Some models will even send you a prompt to get moving when you've been sitting too long. Finally, medical wearables. Smartwatches and fitness trackers offer plenty of health insights, but if you want to go more in depth, a medical wearable is your best bet. These sync to an app on your phone to give you more detailed data on your sleep cycles, heart health, and blood oxygen levels. Just be sure to consult your health professional to find out which wearable is right for you. The good guys are here to help. Visit us in-store or online.